Okay, everyone, let's go live to Givonna, a senior journalism major with a minor in business from Glassboro, New Jersey. Montclair's location just outside of New York City provides countless opportunities for internships and hands-on experiences with local governments, businesses, nonprofits, schools, and healthcare. Givonna won a major college journalism award examining mental health, work that led to an internship with ABC News. Take it, Givonna.
You know, Alex, growing up, I participated in theater, wrote books and poems. I even reenacted reporters by writing scripts to report on breaking news and the weather. At first, I thought, I want to be an anchorwoman, but that changed when I got to Montclair State University. In the School of Communication and Media, I've sat in control rooms and operated teleprompters, fulfilled roles as one of the senior producers and an executive producer for an award-winning news program called Montclair News Lab. And that is when I realized I love being behind the scenes. In the School of Communication and Media, we have a partnership with Sony, which supplies the latest technology for us to practice our crafts. Cameras, lights, microphones, and so much more. Professors teach you how to properly handle and operate equipment. Faculty either currently work in the field or are retired and bring their real-world experiences into the classroom. Our program reflects what's going on in the industry in terms of social media, digital technologies, and emerging platforms, and gives students the opportunity to test the waters to see what best suits them, whether it's video production, public relations, newspaper, radio, video and film. There's an opportunity for everyone. Montclair is located right outside of New York City, making it a perfect location for people in the media industry. And conveniently, we have our own train station, which makes for a smooth commute to my internship at ABC News. I'm part of a team that reports on breaking news and special events like royal weddings and famous deaths. The mentorship program, along with career services, helps prepare you for the interview and application process. Professors are so resourceful and have so many connections. They help cultivate your craft by teaching you how to communicate, write scripts, edit, and all these things I've learned align with my internship at ABC News. Isn't that amazing, Alex?
Givonna, that's a wrap from someone who has spent his career in front and behind the camera. I appreciate everything you are being exposed to. And what a location. Montclair is at the center of the media universe with communication facilities that rival Hollywood's. Take care.